Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tell you what, with the holiday, Easter holiday, I did not plan a meal. I did not cook a meal for you guys. But tonight is Tuesday night after Easter. And I've got about 4 pounds of wings or so here, and I got the Weber kettle fired up. And I'm just gonna bring you along with dinner with us, guys. Let me show you how we're doing this. I've been wanting to try that Heath Riles on some wings anyway, so let's do it tonight. Alright guys, these are some decent sized wings here. I did remove the flappers, but I left the rest of it pretty much together. And we're gonna cook them just like that. And I'm just gonna get a little oil in here. That'll help crisp that skin up. Don't need a whole lot, we're just gonna get all that mixed in there. Actually a little bit more oil than I intended, but that's alright. We'll be alright. Because I did some steaks with this recently and it was delicious. I want to try it here on the wings. This is that Heath Riles, that garlic butter seasoning. I have a feeling it's going to be fabulous on here too. Just going to get some in here and get it all mixed up. Guys, it's going to be as simple as that. I'll get these finished up here. When the grill comes up, we'll get the charcoal dumped and get these on, get some smoke on them for a little bit. Alright, let's get this on in here. Setting up at our normal 2-zone fire here. That heated up. Alright, I expect this to go pretty quick, but we're going to go indirect here for just a little bit. Hope I can get all these on there. There's a pretty hot fire, even though I think it will come down quite a bit once we get all this on. But I really don't think it's going to take that long. I want to get some smoke on here, so I'm going indirect. Pack them in here. Best you can. Alright. And because we can, I'm going to throw some mesquite wood chunks on here, throw a little smoke on here. We'll check back in just a bit. It's been about 15 minutes here on the smoke, even though it looked like our smoke kind of burned out a little bit. I'm going to come in here and just start moving some of these directly over. It's definitely going to speed things up. We have to turn these often until they are done. We'll be back in a few minutes, give these things a flip. Well, hello. Give these guys a flip. I have a feeling. Ooh, them are well done right there. I have to move them around some. I'm going to be flipping a lot from now on, guys, till they are done. I need to move those up front. Maybe not. I'll let them cook over there for now. This is a hot fire we got tonight. Love it. I got way too many wings. When I bought these, I was anticipating more people. Oh well. Alright guys, I'm going to give this, I'm not going to let it go as long this time. I think I went 5 minutes. We'll probably go just a few minutes, come back and flip them again. Alright guys, I'm going to pull some of these out and rotate them. We're going to check some temps. I just want to get some of these on the outer edges, get them in there. Check some temps here if we can stay off the bone. Yeah, we're close. We're very close. A couple of these are about there. My magic number now is about 185 to 190. And we're there on some of these. I'm going to pull them off, actually. Guys, let me get these off of here. We'll go inside and we'll get a taste test. I wouldn't expect them to be done this fast. Got warm. My time of year, guys. Cool mornings, warm afternoons. I love this. Guys, I want you to see that is so hot. Wow. Can you see that? I don't know how well you can see that. Pull this one apart. These were cooked. Tell you what, these were cooked. I set my fire. I've been cooking in cooler weather, so I set it up a little hotter than what I needed to get the same effect. But it's alright, they're done. They're about 185 to 190, which is about where I like to get these after a long debate with myself. 185 to 190 I think is a perfectly cooked chicken wing. And that is a delicious chicken wing. Oh my god. They're messy just like they should be. Alright, I got some ranch dressing here. That's my standby. I think I haven't made up my mind whether I'm gonna do some sweeter with the hickory brown sugar, sweet baby rays, or just some buffalo sauce. I ain't made up my mind on that yet, but I will do some ranch dressing. We just drum here. Oh yeah, always good standby. Tell you what guys, with that heat riles, it's certainly passing the test. I had a little mesquite wood. I just had very little left, so I just wanted to use it up of the mesquite wood. But it kind of gave a nice little hint. It did not over smoke it like I do sometimes on wings. That was near perfect. Guys, thank you. Just a little weeknight cook. Pretty fast, and I enjoy bringing them to you as well. I do a lot of wings around here, so I know you see a lot of wing cooks. So guys, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to us if you have not already. Hit that bell notification, it'll let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless ya. Bye bye. Wash that down here. That is so good.